What else is going on in your life and you really
Alrighty guys, so it is currently 9:55 a.m. My first interview for today is at 10 a.m. and I'm meeting with an entertainment producer. It should be a really fun interview. I'm excited for it. But now it's time for me to get set up on Zoom, get prepared, maybe eat a little bit of my NutriBar, and hopefully knock this interview out of the park. Editing Avalon here. I'm now realizing that I was not super clear about what I was doing the interview for. I am a freelance journalist as well as a full-time student, so I was doing this for a publication, and that's why I didn't feel comfortable recording it, at least for YouTube content, since this was actually going to be used for an actual article that would be going out to the masses. So that's why you guys didn't actually get to watch me on Zoom. Alrighty guys, so I just finished that interview. It was really cool. He was awesome and I'm definitely very interested in his company. That said, it's now time for me to go quickly make myself some breakfast and then hopefully head out on a walk. It's actually supposed to be thunderstorming though today, so I'm a little bit worried that the walk will not happen. Because literally during the interview, it went from being light outside to getting really dark. So maybe I'm actually just gonna head out and get some groceries really quickly and then head back here afterwards. We're gonna see what happens. Alrighty guys, I hope you can see me over my steering wheel, but just made it to Publix and it's now time for me to grab the things that we need for Rice Krispies. It's really storming out here and it actually is a tornado warning right now, so I'm just hoping that we get back really soon and that I can make this trip snappy and fast. Also seems like I'm not the only person who had the idea of maybe we should go out and grab a couple of groceries, a little something just to be okay regardless of what storm is about to happen. Tornadoes tend to be pretty common, or at least tornado watches tend to be pretty common where I live. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so it was a little bit interesting. Publix basically had nothing, and I guess I should have expected that. Unfortunately, I did not. So I ended up spending way more money than I needed to spend. That's okay. We have the Rice Krispies and we have the marshmallows now, so it should be fine. It should be a vibe, and it's definitely pouring now. It doesn't necessarily feel tornado weather-esque, but we'll see what happens. Once I get home, it's gonna be time to start getting all the quotes from the interview that I want to use and then beginning the write-up after hopefully I make the Rice Krispies. We'll see what happens.
I actually think that would be a cool spin-off.
Let's do it.
Some home decor.
thing. Like, it's super cute. Yeah, I'm gonna put mine in here. Taking care of mine.
Man,
Yum. Alrighty guys, I'm getting settled in for bed, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching my day in the life. And it was a little bit more of a rainy day, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye.